Fire. Looks like Bloomie's Furniture might be in fire mode. That could mean freight. Fire is the way you walk and talk that really sets me off to a fire. The elevator's in fire mode. Maybe. Oh, what's going on with the fire alarms? Is everything alright? Okay. Well, we'll see what happens. She's going off though. Is the elevator working? The elevator's not in fire mode. Oh, check the panel. Okay. Alarm trouble, export, fire alarm panel, alarm active, alarm trip from... Okay. Is this working? Yes, it is. Oh, we've got a fire alarm. So this is going to be fun. You hear the panel chirping? EST system. Taking one ride on this and I'm getting the fuck out of here. Ooh. Oh, it's going off down here too. Ooh, they got AS down here. I swear to God, if this thing goes apeshit on me. See how loud it got? Nice! Ooh, you feel that baby thing. Somebody called it. And there's an NS right there. Go back to 1. Look at this. Nobody knows what's wrong. I think it was tripped down in export though. Car number 5. And I am going outside to get the dicks. Here we are. Wonder what's wrong. Smoke. Smoke detector went off. Women's locker room smoke detector. Well, let's get both in one video. Why not? Hope Dick's system isn't hooked in. I've never gone in this way. That's Dick's deck. / Bloomingdale's deck. I hope Dick's system isn't tied in. Nope, it's not. Alright, so let's head over to the elevator. That one's falling off. Shit. Head over to the elevator. So Export and Bloomie's Furniture have the same system. Here we are. Here we are. Nice leveling. God, this thing is small. Here we go. Well, that is quiet. So, hope you enjoyed this. That's it.